How to see Facebook login history on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and view your Facebook login history or the devices on your phone. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application, log into your account, tap on the user icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once you're over here, tap on Account Center. From this page, you need to scroll down and then tap on Password and Security that you will find under the Account Settings page. Under the Account Settings section, now here you'll get 3 different sections of Login and Recovery, Security Checks, and End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now, if you want to see the history, go ahead and tap on where you're logged in option, that is under the Security Checks. Select your Facebook account, and then you'll see all the devices where you're logged in or you were logged in the past. You will see the currently logged in devices at the top and others in the bottom. If you want to go ahead and log out from specific devices or places, select Devices to log out over here. Then select the device and then tap on Log Out, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.